girl, hey, welcome to my channel. I am Desiree and this is my empty apartment tour. So this is my front door here, and right here is a coat closet. Goes pretty deep. It's a pretty nice size closet actually. Okay, so that's the front. And then when you turn this way, you have a bathroom, and then here is our washer and dryer. Okay. I'm just gonna show you guys kind of how it goes. So front door, coat closet, bathroom, washer and dryer, and then here's the hallway. Okay, so here we're gonna go ahead and go into this bathroom. This is our second bathroom, which will also be utilized by guests. So yeah, here's gonna be. And I love this big old mirror, of course. Who doesn't love a mirror? Okay, and then now we're gonna go straight into the second bedroom, which is kind of like a Jack and Jill to the bathroom. So here's the second bedroom, and then here is the closet, baby. When I tell y'all the video does not do this closet any justice, it is huge. It's like the size of a room. Like, I cannot wait to get this closet together. I have plans to put like something right here, a little painting up there or something. Oh girl, she's coming, okay? And then here is the actual room. And this room doesn't have a window in it, but it's fine. It's gonna be my workspace. So I work from home. So I'm gonna put my work desk in here. And then I also wanna take my YouTube up a notch. So I'm gonna have an actual filming space in here. Well, it's gonna be like a filming space. So I'm gonna put like, I have plans. So my little work desk is not big. It doesn't take up much space. But so I'm just gonna put that somewhere in here in like a little corner or something, and then I'm gonna get like a couch and like a vanity and like a mirror, and we're gonna mount a TV in here, and it's gonna be like okay, it's gonna be girl, it's gonna be the shebang. So stay tuned, because I will be posting like home decor videos and stuff showing how I transform like this room and make it, I'm gonna make it cute, okay? So stay tuned. But yes, and this room is actually a really good size. I think it's actually bigger than the main bedroom, which I ain't mad at. So yes, that is the second bedroom. This right here is just the air conditioning room. So now we're back in the hallway, as you can see, and then the bedroom. So now we're gonna come down this hallway, and this is the living area. Y'all, honey. Look at this kitchen. Now this is a kitchen, okay? This is a kitchen. Now if you watched my last apartment tour, which I just posted on my channel, I'm living in the same building, so we're moving in the same building to this apartment. We're upgrading because we're in that one bedroom, so we need more space because I have a lot of stuff. So we are moving to a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. And so if you saw my apartment tour, my last apartment tour in my 1-bedroom, that's why the finishes and stuff are the same, because we're literally just upgrading. And so my last kitchen is literally like this kitchen, but just stop it right here. And it's not a full island. So I'm getting so much more cabinet space, because literally my kitchen is like, stop it like right there, come over, all of this, and then we do have like a semi-island. It's technically an island, I guess, but it's attached to the wall. If you saw my tour, you know. But this is like a full island, you know. It's like, it's floating. I like that. But yes, so I'm getting so much more cabinet space, which we didn't realize how much cabinet space is important, because in our current kitchen we literally are running out of cabinet space. So now we're getting like double. So yes, so this is the kitchen area. One more time. In our building we do valet trash, so that's what this trash can is for. You just stick your trash in the bin and you stick it out front of your door and they come pick it up. It's the best thing ever. I'm gonna really miss that when I'm not apartment living anymore. So here is the living area. So my plans are to put the dining area over here, and then the couch, and probably we have a sectional, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do it like one way this way and then this way, so that it's still open. We're gonna mount the TV, and then we're gonna have like plenty of artwork and stuff on this wall right here. But yeah, and I love our view, you guys. We're losing windows in this apartment because our last apartment has like 7 windows in it, and we're going down 4, so we're losing 3, but we still have an amazing view. One thing I love about these apartments are the windows are huge. Like, they're huge. I don't even know if the video is doing this any justice, but the windows are huge. So even though we're losing windows, they're still big. We still get a lot of light in. And then we still have windows in our bedroom, which was very important to me because I need that sunlight to wake your girl up and get the day started. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. And last but not least, we're gonna go into the main bedroom. And it's nothing, it's pretty straightforward. Our bedroom is about the same layout. I think this bedroom is slightly smaller than the current bedroom we are in right now, which is fine with me, but we still get these big, beautiful windows in here and plenty of light coming in. And here is our main bathroom, which has this stand-up shower, which I'm so excited for. And then this bathroom is smaller, but I don't mind that because, I mean, it's a bathroom, and we have a whole second bathroom. So, and this is not like where guests are coming, it's just for me and him. So I don't mind it being smaller. And then the closet, so this is gonna be his closet because I'm taking that other closet, okay? So he gets to have this all to himself. So this is plenty of space for him because he doesn't have nearly as many items that I have. So that is gonna be it for this apartment tour. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that shit. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.